A schematic is the electrical blueprint of a PCB that defines how components are connected using symbols and nets. Let's see how to create a schematic and symbol library in KiCad. When you create a new project in KiCad, it automatically includes two key files, which include the schematic and the PCB editor. To create a new project, click on the file and then the new project. Let's open the schematic file. This will be the workspace where we build our circuit. In this example, we'll recreate a simple 555 monostable circuit. Before placing components, always note down what components you need. Using the component datasheet, you can get the pin configuration needed for symbol creation. To place a symbol, click on Place and Place Symbol. Search and place the desired symbol. If the symbol is unavailable, you can create a new symbol. Open the symbol editor, next click File and then New Library. Choose Global to use it across all projects, or Project to restrict access to the current project. I'll select Global and name it Test_Library. Our new library now appears in the list on the left, but it's empty. Let's add our first symbol. Right-click on the library name and choose New Symbol. Give it a name, in our case NE555, and keep the default reference as U. This opens an empty canvas for your new symbol. We'll now draw its outline and add pins based on the IC datasheet. Use the rectangle tool to draw the IC body. Keep it neat and symmetrical. Next, add pins as per the datasheet. Go to Place and then Draw Pins. Assign the pin name, number, and electrical type. Click R on the keyboard to rotate it. Similarly, Out is pin 3, GND is pin 1, Reset is pin 4, and so on. Arrange all pins evenly so that labels don't overlap. Always keep pin circles facing outward. Once all pins are added, press Ctrl+S to save your symbol. It's now stored in your custom library. Now let's place this new symbol in our schematics. Click Place and then Place Symbol, search for NE555, and select the one from your new library. Click to place it on the sheet. Next, add resistors, capacitors, connectors, and mounting holes using the same method. To set a resistor or capacitor value, double-click the component and change the value field. For example, 10K for the resistor and 0.1 F for the capacitor. Once all parts are placed, annotate the schematic. Go to Tools and Annotate Schematic to automatically assign reference numbers like R1, C1, and U1. Next, add essential fields such as manufacturer part number, description, and footprint. You can access them from Edit Symbol fields. Now let's make connections. Use Place and then Power symbol to add GND and +5 volts. These automatically link all power nets with the same name. Under Place, choose Draw Wire to complete the connections of the circuit diagram. In the same way, connect all the ground, power, and other connections. To label nets like Out or TRIG, use Place and then Net Label. Matching names connect signals without visible wires. You can also define net classes for better design control. Go to Project and then Net Classes and create groups like Power or Signal. Assign nets accordingly. Once all connections are made, your schematic should look complete, clean, labeled, and fully annotated. Download our KiCad design guide to learn more. Follow us for more PCB content.